are a way to transform data directly in the template, like formatting dates, numbers, or strings, without changing the actual date in the component. For example, amount currency display a number as currency, and today and date short formats a date. These are called built-in pipes. We can also create custom pipes using the pipe decorator and implementing pipe transform for specific formatting or transformations like masking phone numbers or filtering list. In one of my projects, I built a custom pipe to format status label based on API values like in progress to in progress, improving UI readability without adding logic to the component.